I tried to tell my parents what had happened, but they didn't believe me. They said I must have just had a bad dream, but I knew it wasn't just a dream. That figure was real, and it was connected to my past. I decided to do some more digging, and eventually, I discovered the truth about my biological family. They were involved in some kind of cult, and the murders were part of a ritual sacrifice. I realized that I was in danger, and I needed to get out of there as soon as possible. But before I could make a plan, I received another note. This time it read, "You can't run from your past." I knew then that I was trapped. Whatever was haunting me wasn't going to let me go. And now, I'm left wondering if I'll ever be able to escape the horrors of my past.